I've already selected a clip from the trailer for Motel Stories. Bringing it down to the timeline, putting it on 0. Right now, and the sound on this computer is all messed up. So. And this is how it ends. Now, what Nayari wants to have happen is have a fade out of the audio. So the first thing you do is you click on the video and audio and highlight it, and then you right click, and this menu pops up, and you unlink the audio and the video. Now you click on the audio by itself, and then go over to this section and click on Effects. And there's an effect called audio transitions. So you click on that, then you click on crossfade, and then you go to constant gain, and you click on it. You got to drop it on the audio. Okay. So this is an audio effect. And now I can click on this audio effect, this crossfade, and this little bar comes up, and I can drag it. And the farther I drag it is where the fade out will start. So now when I play this, until it goes to 0. Got that?
Yes.
So I'm going to export this just so we see what it's like without this bad setting on the Adobe Premiere. Sorry, let me get back to here. Also, I'm in the editing mode here up top. Did I create it? I created something for you to hear. Nayari test, and export this. So now if we look, the file we just created, you can hear that, right?
Yes.
So then that'll fade right into the separate video clip for Juan Sanchez.